croton can be propagated by seeds or vegetatively. In this episode, we are going to propagate the plant by rooting stem cuttings. As a mother plant, we use croton, which we bought in the garden center. It had no sign of disease or pests and was also in an active state. The bright green point of growth shows it. A few hours before propagation, the mother plant should be watered. After that, we cut the cuttings. During cutting, you should remember about safety precautions and do not crush plant tissue. Do not forget that croton juice is toxic, and if it gets on a sensitive skin, it can cause irritation. Cuttings from the upper part of the plant are not suitable for propagation, since the stem and leaves have not completed vegetative growth. Such cuttings, as a rule, die quickly. Cuttings that have lost their bright green color are suitable for propagation. After cutting, dry the cuttings in the air for 1 hour in the shade. The root formation process takes place in the water. The difficulty lies in the fact that for successful root formation, it is necessary to strictly maintain the temperature regime of the water in the range of 23 to 30 degrees Celsius for 1 month. In addition, the cuttings should be illuminated with diffused 40% sunlight. The duration of daylight hours is at least 12 hours. After 2 weeks, callus develops along the cut border. Roots appear after another 2 weeks. Later, the roots continue to develop. The container with water should be covered with a dark material that blocks the sun rays. If the container is not darkened, then blue-green algae will begin to develop in the water, which spoil the appearance of the process and can lead to the death of the cuttings. After the roots have developed to a length of more than 5 cm, we plant the young plants in the soil. One of the 3 plants did not develop roots. The stem was partially dead. We use a potting mixture prepared according to the recipe available on our website. The link will be in the description below. Also, ready-made mixture can be purchased at the garden center. Leave the upper cut of the cutting above the soil surface. At the time of planting young plants, the mother plant has developed a new shoot. To speed up the rooting process, you can use a root formation stimulant. In this case, the duration of root formation is halved. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. Also, I want to say huge thanks to all of the patrons on our Patreon page, where we post some behind-the-scenes material and give an early access to our new videos. You can also become our patron if you want. The link is in the description below. I wish you good luck and see you in the next episode.